Hello, today is November 14th. I'm eating Abiko Curry with Jasmine. She got, whoa, I just dropped my phone, sorry. Jasmine got just like curry, and I got udon and tempura. Hi guys, I just studied for like 4 hours straight. I feel productive.
Absorbing into it.
But now, I'm with Nick and we're eating pizza. This is my first time eating pizza in Korea. Yay!
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. We dabbed all the oil off.
Chili flake.
Ooh, I like chili flakes.
Take your breath away.
Yay, cheese.
Fuck.
Hello guys. We just finished our pizza. It was a good 5 out of 10. That's pretty good.
Yeah, 7. 7.
We got an egg tart and we got hot chocolate from Starbucks. We're drinking it outside because it's cold. Maddie Roo, say hi to the vlog.
What's up? What happened to your camera?
It's out of storage. I have memory issues. But don't worry, the camera will be out soon.
Gotta get a new SD card.
I know. Hi guys, we spontaneously decided to come to the gym.
Who's just about? It's fun. Okay. Bye. You have to go though. Okay.
We got Wen here. We got Matt over there. Jessica and Nick are gonna do a pull-up competition.
I'm such a bad form.
You know I win. Pause. Take a break.
To you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Yesha. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
Are you crying?
No. I see tears.
Hi guys, today is November 15th. We just sang happy birthday to John. Anita surprised him with a cake. It was cute.
No, I have
Say
like
hello to Max.
I'm drinking tonight though.
Oh, you are?
어차피 내가
What did you think of the surprise?
The surprise?
The surprise.
It's you know, young.
Young love.
No,
So cute.
It's Christmas.
Oh, that was so cute that she got like a cake for her and everything.
Except the fact that John didn't buy us something.
Oh.
Except
I want to eat the cake. Hi guys, we're eating lunch with Wen, Teresa, and Jasmine. I had pastries from Peter Pan, so I'm like not that hungry, so I got something small. I got like shrimp. What is this? It's kind of like a fritter, I guess. I kind of don't really like it though. Awkward. Okay, Wen is trying it. He'll be the judge of it. Go ahead. Expecting it. What do you think of it? It's alright, right? It's like not, yeah. I think the sweater's cute. Do you want it like oversized or do you like the way it fits?
I would need to get a bigger size. I don't know. This is like.
Wait, this looks good. I like this.
Personally, I don't think I would wear it.
Really?
It's too hot.
Wait, but you look
Wait,
so
you
good in it. I like the outfit. Wait, go walk over there and do a spin for the fans. No. Wait, you look good. Wait, I like it. This is funny. I kind of like this sweater. This is originally Wen had this one on, but then we got a size bigger.
Which
but
didn't really change.
It didn't really change much, so I'll get you a bigger size. Hi guys, I'm currently helping one shop right now. I'm having so much fun. I'm styling him. So he got sweaters for him to try. Okay, this one's good. This looks better. Okay, so the first one he tried was like, it kind of just fit perfectly, but we want it to fit looser. So it just like looks better and it also looks more comfy. Yes, and we like the pants. It's a fit. It matches your shoes, the gray and the gray. I like it. I like it. Winnie Boo looks good. I like it. What do you think? What do you think?
That's pretty good.
Yeah. I just went to the Hyundai and got coconut water. This was like 8,001, which is really expensive, but it tastes really good. And everyone can vouch for me. Everyone seeing this, you know. Wen and I are now going to study at the library. Am I getting enough credit here? Hi guys, Wen.
Done.
Yeah, basically. But when I go back to school, I have to take 6 classes. Yeah. Hi guys, Wen and I are eating Chinese food. We got mapujibu. We're basically done eating it. But mapujibu is kind of spicy. It was like Szechuan-y. And then noodles that are also apparently spicy. And then xiaolong bao. Well, I'm at a cafe doing work. Yay. I have a presentation tomorrow. It's my second presentation for my speech and presentation class. And I'm doing it on... What am I doing it on? The benefits of exercise / like physical activity. It's supposed to be an informative speech, so it should be easy. And I have to prepare slides, so that's what I'm doing right now. We're now eating sushi. Yay.
Welcome to your camera.
We all got a volcano roll. And I also got another one, but they don't think I'm gonna finish it. But I will.
She's not gonna
Oh
finish.
my god.
You're not finishing it.
Yeah, I will. Okay, my second one came out. I got a Mexican roll. So it's spicy crab, shrimp, and avocado. This one's crab, shrimp, and then like just a bunch of sauce on top. And I got curry. Stop! You can't say that.
Sorry.
What did you get, Alan? What is that?
This one?
Or that one?
Dragon. Oh, dragon.
Oh, okay.
Because he was in Yamara. I was like, Jasmine, right? And I was like, yeah.
Morning. It is November 17th. I'm on my way downstairs to the lobby because Gabe is here. I'm so excited.
Yeah, I love that jacket.
Your first E-Mart.
Yeah, no, actually, this is my second. Well, like first, but like second because I already got a coffee. But I was like, I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah.
This one's pretty good.
I love these. These are so good.
Ooh, ham tuna mayonnaise.
Not that one in specific, but I like Spam Classic Kimchi. That one's my fave. I also like spicy tuna mayo. Wait, this one's kind of rare. I like
Ooh,
never see
spicy
it.
Tuna mayo. Okay,
It's like always gone whenever I'm here. Okay. But I also like salted peligro. That's like the fish eggs.
Oh, I don't like those.
Oh,
They're too salty for me.
Oh, they're not like the real ones though. But anyways,
yeah.
I also like
This sounds good.
I also
Tuna
like
mayo.
I'm just not a mayo girly. So that's why I don't like those. Oh, this one's so good too. This one's really good.
Which one?
Those are my top 3. The Jeonju style
What are
bibimbap.
you eating?
I don't know. Hi guys, I just finished class.
Me with my little bit.
Yeah, apron. Now me and Gabe are eating tao. We're waiting for our food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll give a review.
Yeah. We made our sauce, but it's so spicy.
Too much spicy.
We added sugar to it too.
Yeah.
It's really spicy.
Like a whole thing of sugar and it's still like too spicy for us. So.
Okay, update. We're back in E-Mart because I had to come back because I got my period. Hiiii. But before I came back, Gabe got pimple patches at Olive Young. Anyways,
Oh yeah.
Yes.
And I got my Laneige sleeping mask.
Oh yes.
I also have a problem. This is my 3rd one of like these pouch drinks today.
Nice.
And I'm gonna upgrade it to like the large version of the cup big sizes.
Yes, and since I'm on my period, I've been craving chocolate. So these are my favorite snack. My favorite chocolate snack here. And then I wanted to try these. Oops. This one. It's got like brownie in the inside, or like some kind of chocolatey cake thing. And then this is just cookies and cream balls. So, yay. Study snack. Hello, update guys. We're hauling all of Gabe's luggage.
Yeah, we are.
We're going to a hotel. I'm gonna take a nap. Gabe's gonna shower. We're gonna rest up, maybe do some more work, and then we're gonna go out.
And rally.
Look how big Gabe's luggage is. He brought like a whole big one. It is empty, however, it's so much. We settled into the Airbnb and then we both took a nap. So tired.
Yeah.
Now we're on our way to Sinchon to meet Nick and Alan. We're gonna go bowling.
I really tried not to.
I also got a snack because I'm kind of hungry.
I got my other snack in. It's in this purse. Girly things. No, literally. Someone get your passport. Someone get your passport.
You had your tattoo removed. Saw you downtown singing the blues. It's time to face the music. I'm no longer your muse. But in another life, I will be difficult. But if it's real, don't be afraid. We'll make it out of this mess. It's a love story. Baby, just say yes. I keep waiting for you to never come and sit in my head. I don't know, let the thing get down to the ground. All other ringers. We were both young when I first saw you.
Hi guys.
Hi, good morning. Well, good afternoon, guys.
Yes. Today is November 18th. We're here in Gwangjang Market.
Correct.
And we're eating noodles today.
Yeah, we are.
By the famous Netflix lady.
Oh,
I love her.
I love her.
I love her. I want to hug her. I love her so much. She's so yummy. Hello. We just finished eating kalguksu. I forgot to vlog, so it was just too good. It was just too good, but I will be back, of course, because it's my favorite. Gabe got deli manju. Do you like it?
Yeah, very good. Burn my tongue.
Okay, we just got Bev's at Go Mango.
Yeah.
Gabe is currently mixing it because all he tasted was the mango.
And I really don't like mango, and it tastes like real mango, and I hate mango taste. So.
Well, he got mango passion fruit, but all I tasted
Yeah.
was a passion fruit, so we need to mix it. I just got mango tea because I'm kind of cold and I thought it would be good.
It was like the opposite. Like I only got like mango, and then she only got passion fruit.
Yeah.
So.
Okay, we just bought stuff from A-Land. We'll do a haul. Now I'm showing Gabe the library because he wanted to see it.
And I need a drink.
Yes, we're gonna get my favorite matcha.
Yeah.
From
Arabica?
Yeah, do you know?
Yes, I
It's
love
so good,
Arabica.
right? It's decorated for Christmas. That's so cute. What do you think of the library? Is it like a little underwhelming? Or what do you think
It's
of
like it's like cool.
It's cool, yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah. I just took pics of Gabe.
Yeah, she just took pictures of me. And then we got matcha.
Oh, we did, yeah.
Yeah, we got matcha from Arabica. Oh, which love.
I love this
I love
matcha.
Arabica.
It's so good.
It was so Madeline over there.
Ooh, what are you getting?
Ham and cheese croissant and a salted caramel espresso Madeline.
Boss is here. Boss!
God damn, bitch. You brought rocks in here or something?
Yay!
I guess.
Okay, so here's what we got. Spicy and soy. We got boneless, but low-key just looks like cutlet. But it's okay. I think it'll still be good. Hello, I'm currently by myself. Boss and Gabe have went outside to take a cigarette break. There they are. Taking a little cig break.
I love. It was definitely viscosity too. The fourth time was last year.
Hi guys, we're now at a pocha. We got mozzarella sticks and fries. It's kind of like
It was
good.
like really cheap to
But it's fine. We're drinking soju and tonic water. And Gabe and Boss tried somek for the first time. They like it.